Hi, I'm Rod Deichman with Library Workshops. This week we've got an amazing set of small business workshops for you, starting tomorrow with our monthly meeting of the Illinois Small Business Marketing Club. Now this is where small business owners like myself and you get a chance to come together for a quick hour of focused marketing discussion, where we each get to pitch each other our ideas for advertising and marketing in our area, and it gives us a chance to draw insight from each other into what might work to reach out to new customers and new segments. Now on Wednesday, we've got an amazing small business class as well. Well, it's more of a survival guide to social media actually, and specifically today in 2018. Considering all the changes and turmoil that's been happening in the networks, this is a super important workshop where we'll dig into a variety of surefire techniques and tactics to get you noticed and make those conversions happen. And lastly, on Thursday, for a full 90 minutes, we've got a highly specialized Mastering Your Gimbal class for those of you interested in creating smooth, shareable, and likable smartphone marketing videos. This is a must-do workshop if you're just getting started in smartphone video and want some guidance practice with your new tools. Now remember, all of our workshops are free and the instruction is straight to the point. So make sure to register online at www.libraryworkshops.com. Again, this is Rod Deichman, and I'll see you at the library.